Okay, in this video what we're going to show you is how to connect the header pipe to the feeder header pipe. It's pretty straightforward. All you do is just use a 90 going up to the feeder pipe, and then you just add this little extension right here, and then use another 90 to connect it. In this image you're seeing two zones, but the principle is the same on both sides. In the other video in this series, you've seen that we used a red cap or a T on the very top. You don't always have to do that. You could just use 190 at the bottom and another 90 at the top. Now that you have it all connected, you can run a test. Just turn on the shower water and make sure it's coming out of the aquifer pipes. Once you've done all that, all you need to do is bury everything. And now you can enjoy your Greywater system. It's very easy to do. Just need a little bit of plumbing skills. If you have any questions or need any assistance, feel free to give us a call. We're more than glad to help you out over the phone, or if you're in the LA area, we'll even stop by and help you out. From all of us at Gray for Green, we thank you, and now you can be proud of how you water your lawn, garden, or landscape. Take care.